Superannuation can be complicated, and it's also likely to be one of your biggest financial assets in your lifetime. So it's worth taking the time to understand how it works and how to get the most out of it. Hi, I'm Maryanne from CareSuper, and I'll help walk you through the super basics to help you get a better understanding of your super so you can feel more confident about your life after work. Superannuation, or super, is money your employer puts aside for you while you're working to help support you in retirement. And with the average Australian spending over 25 years in retirement, your super is going to play a major role in supporting your lifestyle in retirement. So here's how it works. When you're over 18 and earning an income, or under 18 and working more than 30 hours in a week, your employer pays a percentage of your salary into your super fund on your behalf. That money is then invested by your super fund to help it grow over time. The government sets how much your employer must put aside for you in each pay. This is known as the superannuation guarantee. Your contributions are invested in assets like shares, property, and term deposits. Most super funds let you choose how your money is invested, and if you don't make a choice, you'll be placed in the fund's default investment option. Earnings from these investments are reinvested back into your super to help it grow over time. Your super is a tax-effective way to save for retirement. Before tax money put into your super, such as the superannuation guarantee, is generally taxed at 15%. This may be a lower tax rate than your personal income tax. Plus, earnings in investments are taxed at 15% as well. This means your super works harder for you. Most people can choose which super fund to join, and if you can't or don't choose a super fund, your employer will check with the ATO to see if you have a stable super fund. If you don't have one, your employer will choose a super fund for you. This will be your employer's default super fund. When you join a super fund, you may receive default insurance cover. If you're eligible, it's provided automatically, but it's important to check what type and level of cover you're getting to see if it suits your needs. Generally, you can access your super when you turn 60 and retire or stop working for an employer, or when you're 65 and even if you're still working. When you wrap up at work, you can withdraw your super as a lump sum, a regular income, or even a combination of both. The choice is yours. We're here to help you now and in the future, so give us a call and visit our website today.